Nowadays people are playing so much awesome strategy game. Today I got one application that is strategy based, in which you can make a cool to weird creatures with these features, and you can just see the adventures in your application, because I have played so many strategy game, but this one is very different. In this video we are going to play strategy game. So let's start the 2D video, and if you're new on the channel, make sure to subscribe the channel, and I'm just dropping the link of this application. You can go and check it out. You'll get new animals, new skins in every level of game, so you can just plan your battles and strategy, and on the basis of that you can win lots of coins in it. So just let me play first. So first of all, you have some budget, and on the basis of that you can see I have given few animals to fight with an opposite animal. And here you can see I love this feature. This is the drone view shot. So basically you can take a closer look, and this is the 3D application, 3D game. So here you can see, we can see all the adventures happening in front of us, and the best part is that we are able to see very closely, means whatever, however we want to see. So I just fall in love with this application. So I just finished first level and just start second level. So I have just played 3 level, and after that I just play, but I just thought to share this application with you guys. So here you can see this is the level 2. So in every level you will get a different kind of animals, different kind of strategy you can plan, and as a level will grow, your adventure will also grow. So just go in description box and check it out. You can install in Android as well as iOS. So whatever you use, you can play this application. And nowadays it's a very popular strategy game, people are loving it. So I thought I should share with my subscribers. So it's awesome. So I will say play this game now. Go check it out in the description.